sometimes they oppose each other. When planets oppose each other, those energies, they affect us here on Earth, because we are also energy beings. We get affected depending on the angles, depending on the positions of those planets. As long as you go down to a root cause and understand all your planets in your birth chart and understand their movements and understand the angles and how they affect you, then it is okay and well, because then you are going to find a solution that's going to help you understand why you experience problems in your life from time to time. Why does this happen? Why does it happen like that? Also, you get to do the remedies for the planets and be on a safe side, even when the positions are challenging, but you are able to navigate through those energies, because you understand that everything is created by the Creator. Everything will happen the way it's supposed to happen, but all I need to do is find my way and navigate through these energies so that I can come out of the other side a better person than I was before. At the end of it all, there are more methods, right? There are more methods that we can use in terms of sorting out our problems. But I just wanted to highlight these two, because for someone who's been a spiritual medium for a long time, I concentrated a lot on, navigating the ancestral energies and sorting them out. But usually you find that problems will reoccur. They will always reoccur, because the movement of the planets affect us, also affect the ancestors themselves. What we can do is cleanse our ancestors, release them, and send them back to God so that they can remain there safely and happy. And then those who come back can only affect us positively, because they are in our DNA. We cannot wish them well. It's not like they are a problem, but the methods and the way we treat them and the way we entertain them, sometimes it backfires, because at the end of the day, I mean, yes, they do affect us. Ancestors, they do affect us, and they do bring problems to our lives. But what is the aim then at the end of the day? The aim is to understand the laws of the universe. Understand, realize, and agree that the universe is above everything else. The universe, which is the light, which is the source, which is God. If you understand that the energies affect us through the planets, then you will understand that at the top of it all, we are not saying the planets are powerful than the ancestors. We are simply saying the universe, God, is above everything else.